Nicole Oresme was a true polymath of the Middle Ages, a man of many talents and vast knowledge. Born in Normandy around 1323, he lived during a time of great intellectual ferment and cultural change. Oresme excelled in many fields, showcasing his diverse interests and abilities. He was a respected theologian, a skilled mathematician, and a keen observer of the natural world, always curious about its mysteries. He rose to become the Bishop of Lisieux, a testament to his influence in standing within the Church, which was significant. Yet it is his scientific contributions that truly set him apart from his contemporaries. Oresme's work often challenged the accepted wisdom of his time. He dared to question long-held beliefs about the universe and its workings. He did so not by rejecting faith but by seeking to reconcile it with reason and observation, a novel approach. This approach made him a pivotal figure in the history of science. His work laid the groundwork for future scientific revolutions and discoveries. Oresme's education played a crucial role in shaping his intellectual development. He studied at the prestigious University of Paris. This institution was a center of learning in the 14th century, attracting great minds. It was here that Oresme immersed himself in the works of ancient Greek and Arabic scholars. These included Aristotle, Euclid, and Averroes. Their writings ignited his curiosity and provided a foundation for his own groundbreaking discoveries. Oresme's legacy lies not just in his individual discoveries, but in his approach to knowledge and learning. He saw no inherent conflict between science and religion. Rather, he believed that both were essential for a complete understanding of the world. This belief, revolutionary for its time, would have a profound impact on the development of Western thought and philosophy. One of Oresme's most remarkable achievements was his groundbreaking discovery of the curvature of light due to atmospheric refraction. This fascinating phenomenon, which explains why objects appear distorted when viewed through water or air of varying temperatures, had puzzled scholars for centuries. Oresme, through careful observation and logical deduction, was the first to provide a correct and comprehensive explanation. Prior to Oresme, the prevailing belief was that light traveled in perfectly straight lines without deviation. This belief was deeply rooted in the works of ancient Greek philosophers, whose ideas held considerable sway in medieval Europe. Oresme, however, was not content to accept these long-standing ideas without question. He conducted his own meticulous experiments and observations, which led him to doubt the traditional view. Oresme realized that the atmosphere was not uniform in its composition. It was composed of layers of air with different densities and properties. He proposed that when light passed from one layer to another, its speed and direction would change accordingly. This change in direction, he argued, would cause the light to bend and refract. This bending of light, he concluded, was responsible for the observed distortions in visual perception. Oresme's discovery of atmospheric refraction was a major breakthrough in the field of optics and light study. It demonstrated that the properties of light could be significantly affected by the medium through which it traveled. This insight paved the way for later groundbreaking discoveries about the nature of light and its complex behavior. It also had practical applications in fields such as astronomy and navigation, revolutionizing these disciplines. In the 14th century, questioning the established order of the cosmos was no small feat. Nicole Oresme, however, was not one to shy away from such challenges. He dared to question the geocentric model, which placed the Earth at the center of the universe. Oresme proposed the revolutionary idea that perhaps the Earth was not stationary. His theories laid the groundwork for future astronomers, including Copernicus. It was a bold step, one that required not just intellect, but immense courage. Nicole Oresme's contributions were not confined to his own time, but extended far beyond his era. His groundbreaking work in mathematics, physics, and astronomy influenced countless generations of thinkers and scholars. Oresme's meticulous translations of Aristotle made the ancient philosopher's work accessible to a much wider audience. His innovative ideas on monetary theory and economics were truly ahead of their time, setting the stage for future developments. Today, we remember Oresme as a pioneer, a visionary thinker who was unafraid to challenge the status quo, and whose legacy continues to inspire. From the stars to the economy, his profound impact is still felt in many diverse fields of